You can never go wrong with this puff puff recipe. Hi my love, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Amarachi and I post food content on here, recipes. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making puff puff. For this recipe, all you need is 6 cups of flour, 1 cup of milk, 3/4 cups of sugar, 2 tablespoons of instant yeast, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix everything together. Just make sure that all the ingredients marry each other very well. Then mix everything with my warm water. The water is warm, not hot, but it's warm. For the water, I'll be adding 4 cups of water. Then proceed to mix everything together just the way I'm doing it here. Let me say this way, see if you are beating it. This is how your batter should look like. I'm just going to go ahead to cover it. Cover and leave it to rest for 1 hour so it can rise very well. This is the result after 1 hour. It has doubled in size. I'm just going to go ahead and mix everything together again. So because if you fry it like this now, it will be air. Like if you fry it, it will be more of air or something like that. Next is to fry.
I'm running on diesel, baby, I'm active. Shawty wanna know what's happening. Baby, no cap, I'm captain.
The puff puff is ready. Please try this recipe out. Also comment if you need any help. Thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Just continue the process till you are done. Yeah.
Gotta shoot my shot till I get what I like. Shawty really wanna fuck in the moment. Little homie looking bad, never got long. When I pop some, girl go pop off. When we count the beats, who can't go?
If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.